In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy campaigns from one Google Ads account to another, a handy trick that can save you time and streamline your management process. To start, you'll want to navigate to the main page of Google Ads. Open your preferred web browser, enter Google Ads in the search bar and click on the link that says Get Customers and Sell More with Online Advertising. This link will take you straight to the official Google Ads homepage. Once there, you'll see a sign in button prominently displayed on the top right corner. Click on it and log in using your Google account credentials. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure to select the one from which you want to copy the campaigns. Once you're logged into the correct account, you'll find yourself at the Google Ads home, your hub for managing all things related to your advertising campaigns. The key area you need to access here is the campaign section, which is listed in the navigation bar on the left hand side of your screen. Clicking on campaigns will expand your options and display a list of all the current and past campaigns associated with this account. Now this is where you select the specific campaign you want to copy over. Carefully review your list of active campaigns and choose the one that you plan to duplicate. Clicking on the campaign will take you to a detailed view where you can see its settings, performance and statistics. It's important to pause for a moment here and ensure you are indeed selecting the campaign you intend to copy, as duplicating the wrong one could lead to unnecessary clutter or costs. After you've selected the campaign, look for the edit option, which is typically represented by a small pencil icon. Clicking on edit will pull up a drop down menu of actions. Among these will be the option to copy. When you click copy, you're telling Google Ads to remember this campaign and prepare to replicate its settings, structure and components. Now head back to the account where you plan to paste this campaign. You can switch accounts by clicking on the account switcher near the top of the screen if necessary. Once in the desired account, return to the campaign section as you did earlier and look for the option to paste. This will generally appear in the same drop down menu you access to copy the campaign. Selecting paste will finalize the process and duplicate the campaign in this new account. This efficient method of copying campaigns allows you to seamlessly transfer efforts across different accounts, saving you from the repetitive task of manual setup each time. This ensures consistency in your advertising strategies and can significantly enhance productivity when managing multiple clients or business units. Make sure to double check the campaign settings after pasting to tailor the minor specifics to suit your new account's needs. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to manage cross-account campaigns in Google Ads.